everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me video. I'm going to show you how I plan my month, and the first week of my month I usually will plan my weeks like either on a Saturday or Sunday before the week starts because things change so much. And then after that I'm going to go ahead and plan my YouTube videos. So if you're interested in seeing how I plan my videos and keep track of sponsorships and due dates and things like that, stay tuned. I'll have that at the end of this video. And if you like this video, please let me know because I really love planning and I would love to make more videos like this for you. I also wanted to know if you'd be interested in a meal planning video. I didn't go into detail with my meal planning, but I do like to plan my meals before the week starts as well. So let's just hop right into the video. I just wanted to show you guys everything that I'll be using in this video. I got this little container from Michaels. It was $3. And then I have a happy planner that I'm using, also from Michaels, a notepad from the dollar store, and a monthly calendar from Target. So the first thing I'm doing is a brain dump, and I cannot stress how important this part is. This is basically where you can just let your brain loose and write down everything that is on your mind. Since I am so scatterbrained sometimes, this truly helps with my anxiety. And for my brain dumps, I usually sort them into 6 categories. My first category is high priority. These are just things that are stressing me out. The next thing I'm going to write down is cleaning. There's always cleaning to do, but these are like the big projects that I have, like lots of laundry and just cleaning out and organizing different things. Next for me is videos. You can put whatever you want in this spot if you're not a YouTuber, but this is where I put my video ideas. After that, we are going to go to house, and that's just like big things around the house, like maintenance or things that need to be done to your home. And then I'm going to do shopping, and that's just going to be like things I need to order online that we run out of. I get a lot of stuff from Amazon Prime, so that's where I'll write that. And then last but not least, a quick grocery list of things we are out of, and that is that. And one thing that I have to also stress to you is how important it is for some me time. Us mamas need to prioritize ourselves so that we can be taking care of our families. And if mama doesn't have any me time, she's gonna go crazy. So I picked this Happy Planner cover up from Michaels, and I happen to luck out all the time at Michaels with my Happy Planner stuff. I usually find them for 40% off or more, and the version that I got is where you can make your own months. This for me is nice because it's kind of like an in-between a bullet journal and a regular planner. I like to write everything in myself. That's just a personal choice. It comes with these little monthly stickers, or you can just go ahead and use permanent marker. I am actually the kind of person that rips out the months when they're done and throws them in the garbage. It's just refreshing to me, and as you can see, it's almost time for a new planner for me. I also just found these stickers from Michaels, and these are also by Happy Planner, but this is the mom version, so I really like it because it has little things in there like game times, even though my kids aren't in sports yet, but play dates and just family activities, just different things that are really useful for moms out there. So if you're not a mom, just ignore these stickers. They have a million stickers at Michaels by Happy Planner, and I love Happy Planner. It's just one of my favorite. It's like more my style, and I just like that it's at Michaels because Michaels is super close to me. Now that my brain dump is complete, I'm going to go ahead and decorate my calendar and just fill it in for June. Now that the month is written in as well as the dates, the first thing I do is put in anything that I know off the top of my head as far as birthdays, holidays, or just events that I know of ahead of time. After that, I'm going to go ahead and look up appointments and then write in all of the appointments for the month. Now that the month is mostly filled in, you can always go back and add things. I just did like a quick version of my month for video purposes and to not overwhelm you. I'm going to go ahead and start planning my week. So the first thing I do is put in all of the dates, and again, write in anything that I can think of off the top of my head that is going on that week, and I'll refer back to my monthly calendar that I just filled out. This is where I write down the priorities that I had listed in my brain dump, and then this is how my week winds up looking so far. And usually where the notes portion is, I put in my chore list, which is where the cleaning portion of the brain dump will go. Now that the planner is all filled in, I will move into my monthly portion, and this is mainly dedicated to YouTube. I use little sticky notes, as you can see here. Using one color sticky note, I'm going to go ahead and put a sticky note on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, since these are my goals for uploads, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I really try to get uploads up, so I'll put in these sticky notes, not writing on the calendar, because just in case anything changes, I can just rip that sticky note off and move it to another spot in my calendar. So I know this looks wasteful, but I swear I recycle and I'm a good person. I am just an old school paper and pen kind of girl. I cannot get into the phone calendars no matter how hard I try. So the sticky notes are ready for me to put my video uploads on there. And what I also will do is go ahead and put a green dollar symbol for any sponsored videos, and then next to it I'll write how much they cost. So with a different color, I'm going to write in when I'm recording. And right up top of my calendar, I'm going to write down all of my sponsorships for that month, just so I can remember as far as billing goes. I will also write in my YouTube check and then any commissions that I make at the top as well. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to keep it like very light. I didn't go crazy into planning because I don't want to overwhelm you. The best thing I can say is take it one step at a time. You don't need these fancy stickers or these fancy calendars or planners or anything like that. This is just a hobby of mine as well, and I find it to be really relaxing. And as somebody that struggles with anxiety, planning and writing things down really helps me a lot. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise